Okay, here we have a typical beaker, and this is a 250 milliliter beaker, and you can see that based on the writing on the side here, it says 250 milliliters. Now, the graduations that are on the side, they actually go up to 200. They don't exactly go up to 250. And the reason for that is you'd never want to fill a beaker all the way up to the 250 milliliter point, okay? That makes a little bit of a danger for spills and contamination, accidents. You don't want to do that, okay? So the maximum that you'd want to fill a 250 milliliter beaker is right up to the 200 milliliter line. Now you can see that there are these graduations here on the side of the beaker, and that's just to give you a rough estimate of the volume. All right, the volume actually for this particular piece of glassware has an error of plus or minus 5%. I'll bring that up close to the camera so you can see. I know it's blue on blue, but hopefully you can see that with my fingers in the background that plus or minus 5%. Okay, so that means that there's some error associated with these graduations, and you'd want to use something more precise like a graduated cylinder or something like that to measure exact volumes. Now the lip here on the beaker, it kind of flares out a little bit, and that's so that you can use other tools to pour things with the beaker. Okay, so these are some tongs here. So maybe I have like some kind of hot liquid inside here that I want to pour out. Well, this lip helps to catch the beaker so it doesn't slip through my tongs here. And of course, you want to make sure that you have the spout facing the right direction so that you can pour. When I'm pouring things, I like to have my palm face up with the tongs in my hand like so. And so that way it's a little uncomfortable from the start, but if you think about it, you want to pour things in this direction, and it's really easy for my hand to rotate in this direction. If you're lefty, then obviously you're going to do the exact mirror image of what I was just doing, right? So if you're left-handed, and this is a little awkward for me, but if I turn this around and I use my left hand, you can do the exact same procedure. So all you lefties out there, just use your left hand, whatever is most comfortable. Okay, so that is the beaker. We use the beaker for pouring and mixing and all kinds of experimentation. So have fun in your science class using the beaker.